After the reference images and the text prompt, the parameters are the third and most important part from the Midjourney prompt. All of them must start with double dash followed by the text parameters. Let's go through the most important of them one by one. 1. Aspect ratio. Defines the image aspect ratio. Add the exact ratio measured in pixels or inches after it. For example, use 811 after the double dash. 2. Chaos. Because Midjourney always generates 4 variations out of the prompt, this parameter defines how those 4 differ from one another. Value of 0 will give more similar results and value of 100 will give more different results. 3. No. Use it to exclude elements from the picture. For example, use if you want to get an image with no clouds. Use no clouds after the double dash. 4. Quality. It changes how much time is spent generating an image. Higher quality settings take longer to process and produce more details. The quality setting does not impact image resolution. Use it if you want more details in your images. 5. Style. Replaces the default aesthetic of some versions. Raw style has less automatic beautification applied. Cute style creates charming and adorable characters, props, and settings. Expressive style has a more sophisticated illustrated feeling. Original style uses the original Niji model version 5. Scenic style makes beautiful backgrounds and cinematic character moments in the context of their fantastical surroundings. Play around with them to see the difference. More on the Niji in a bit. Different Midjourney versions have different style compatibility. See the reference table at the end of this chapter. 6. Stylize. Defines how strong the training on artistic color, composition, and forms is applied. Higher settings produce more realistic results. 7. Tile. Creates seamless patterns for fabrics, wallpapers, and textures. Use it to create seamless backgrounds. 8. Weird. Introduces quirky and offbeat qualities to your generated images, resulting in unique and unexpected outcomes. Use it for more abstract use cases or poster-like images. 9. Image weight. Use it only when you have image references. 10. Versions. Defines which version of Midjourney to use. You can use all models from 1 to 6. Make sure you add it after a double dash and the letter V. In general, the higher the version, the better the model, the more realistic the outcomes. Model 5 has a Niji variation, which produces drawing, cartoon, or vector-style images. Use it to create coloring book pages, for example. To use Niji version of Model 5, just type Niji after the double dash. For your convenience, here is a table of all discussed parameters, their use and defaults. Those are the most important parameters you need to know for stunning image generation with Midjourney. If you want to walk through them all, you can do so on the Midjourney website at docsmidjourney.com.